severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hooks Airport to greater uptown to near Nateville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pasadena, Pearland, Sugar Land, Northwestern Baytown, Missouri City, Deer Park, Rosenberg, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, Humboldt, West University Place, Katy, Richmond, Galena Park, Tomball, Jacinto City, Jersey Village, Manville and Hunters Creek Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.